Well, this is the bezel that goes around the tachometer, and we can see in here that there are some broken pieces of O-ring that lay down in that groove there, all dried up, turned hard. But we'll dig them out of there, dig those pieces out. Comes out in a million little bits because it's hard and broken. Just keep her from spinning around and there will be okay. If I'd known it was going to take this long, I'd have had a sandwich first. And there we go. To readjust our tweezers there a little bit. So, get one of these guys out of the bag. O-ring, tach and speedo, lens to instrument. The groove there inside. That O-ring just lays down in there, tucks into that groove. Hopefully, it'll stay there for another 74 years. Anytime you're doing little projects like this, one thing you want to remember is you might be the guy that has to take it apart again the next time. So when you put things together, keep that in mind. Looks like this piece of material is going to run a little long. That kind of stuff always makes you nervous because you have to ask yourself, did I do something wrong or did the vendor give me extra material? Which is it? I think in this case the vendor provides a little bit extra material. Make sure it's worked down into that groove all the way. For those of you that don't chew on your fingers, it's helpful to have some fingernails to push those down, push that rubber down in there. But you can see there that, hopefully you can see there that that O-ring just goes right in there real nice. What we'll do is we'll just trim off the excess and we'll be looking pretty smart there. We have actually got something done. If you have one of those plastic tools that they make for doing prying panels off, you can go around and work that O-ring down in there a little better. Just make sure you got it in there all the way. We got this chrome beading in our parts package. It's two pieces. One piece goes across the bottom, another piece goes across the top. It's a nice piece of trim on the edge of the dash. We've got a package of screws and nails with no idea what goes where, but I got 7 of these screws and I got 7 holes in this flange, so that's a good place to start. We'll just start by putting 7 screws and 7 holes and see how that works out. Actually, pretty good because the holes in this flange line up perfectly with the holes that are already in the dash. That's always nice. That screw's a little cockeyed, but we'll just get them all started here first and see what we end up with. What you get is you get a nice chromed edge all around your wooden dash. Really finishes it out quite nice. These pieces are made a little long. I think we're slowly but surely not hitting our holes anymore, so at least on the other side we may have to drill a couple of new little guide holes for these little screws. Now I think we've got 3 holes that are going to need some help. Well, we get the rest of these screws in here. We'll get her tightened up, but essentially that's what you get. It's a nice chrome bead across there. We'll get another one around the top, and that'll finish the dash off. Pretty nice.